welcome back. So yeah, we've been talking on this channel about the BRICS unit, and recently we found out by looking at Kevin Walmsley's video and then following that down the rabbit hole, we found out about the BRICS unit and the basket that it's linked to. So I've done a bit of research for us, and I've fact-checked this, and the notes from the fact-check will be in the description below, or go and have a look at the Substack. I'm using Substack as a repository for all of the notes that I use for this channel, and also to store all of the fact-checks, so there's some sort of traceability around what the sources were, and just for myself really, to have the confidence that the stuff that I'm talking about has gone through at least some rudimentary steps to make sure I'm not telling porkies. So let's go. The BRICS unit. It's a blockchain based, like Bitcoin sort of thing, you know, like a Bitcoin or Ethereum or these crypto sort of things. So it's a blockchain based digital trade instrument designed to facilitate cross-border settlements within the BRICS bloc. And it goes on. It's not a full-fledged currency. That's interesting. So it's not like the US dollar. It's not like the euro, but it's a unit of account for trade, backed by 40% gold and 60% BRICS national currencies. Those currencies are equally weighted: the Brazilian real, the Chinese yuan, Indian rupee, the Russian ruble, and the South African rand. The pilot aims to reduce reliance on US dollar by enabling sanction-proof, verifiable transactions and aligning with BRICS border de-dollarization push. Yeah, I don't like that at all. That's not good, team. That's not good. Let's not do this. Let's try and stop this. Launched as a prototype to test feasibility, the unit represents a concrete step toward multipolar financial tools, building on discussions since 2022. So let's just unzip this a little bit more. So launch and time frame, so it's in 31 October 2025 with the International Research Institute for Advanced Systems, which is some sort of Russian think tank. They first issued 100 units on the Cardano blockchain, which I think has been around for a while, that one. It was announced publicly and confirmed in reports on Watcher.guru, IntelliNews.com and ccn.com. Phase rollout, so Q4 controlled trial phase with 100 units, focused on intra-BRICS energy and resource trade simulations, oil for RMB swaps, and then expanded testing across all members, integrating with BRICS Pay for real-time settlements, regulatory harmonization targeted for Q4, well, for now basically, Q4 2025. Limited commercial deployment for select trades, specifically commodities. And look at this, they're targeting full operational status by 2028-2030. Okay, so that's interesting. So there's a good couple of years runway here, enough time to stop this bloody thing. Governance not formally adopted by BRICS central banks or the NDB, but driven by select members, specifically Russia and China, with this Russian think tank providing oversight. NDB in Shanghai is expected to issue future units through, though this is unconfirmed. It's positioned as a complement to BRICS Pay, which is a QR-based payment app, and the CRA, which we've talked about before. So each unit pegged to 1 gram of gold. Wow, that's interesting. A gram. So each unit is pegged to 1 gram of gold, which is roughly 80 to 85 bucks US dollars equivalent at October 2025 prices. It's rocketed up since then. I think it's 4,200 bucks today. Okay, so daily revaluation based on market fluctuations in gold and the currency basket. That's interesting. So yeah, well, there you go. Right, okay, so it's built on Cardano for transparency. I'll have to have a bit of a look at that. Supports interop with CDBCs, and so let's go and have a look at Cardano and just see what's happened over there and what impact that had on Cardano as the network and and conversely, what can the West do to prevent this thing from actually getting wings and taking off? Yeah, so pretty bloody interesting, and I really don't like the sound of that. It really underscores the shift from sort of talking about these sort of things to actually, because what did I say previously? They've got like 200 working groups in BRICS. That's a lot of talking. So they've done a lot of talking, and now they're starting to do a few little steps. So before they take too many more of these steps, why don't we in Team West actually maybe dial down our threats and reach across the table and talk to these people instead of pushing them away and trying to thump them, because this thumping doesn't seem to be working. Let's come up with a different plan. So that's all from me today, and yeah, so I hope you're well. Peace out.